Good morning. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, as my mom used to say. It is Tuesday, March 18th at 6:05 in the morning. And today we're continuing on with our self-made coloring book. We're almost done with the art. I think this is the last one, maybe one more. Um, so it's going well. Taking longer than I thought because of the winter weather out here in the shed. Which I'll give you a tour of once I get it cleaned up. It gets cold. If it's 10 degrees out, it is not going to be drawing time out here. So today we're doing a turkey buzzard. Don't know why I decided on that one, but I do remember seeing them flying way high in the sky looking for their next meal. And I don't have any humorous anecdotes about turkey buzzards, but in looking them up and researching, I did find some interesting information about them, and I think you'll like the picture at the end. It looks pretty good. Leave me a comment if you do. The turkey buzzard is nature's cleanup crew. They clean up animals that have passed away, so they're kind of necessary for the ecosystem to keep it all cleaned up. If they're cornered by a human or another animal, I read that they will play dead. Didn't know that. Or they will project offensive smelling vomit as a defense. So I'm glad that I have not had to experience that, because that would not be pleasant, I don't believe. They do have a bald head, which looks like I put a little bit of hair on their head, but it's a coloring book. Give me a little bit of a break here. But I also read that the non-feathers on the head is because they stick their head into, dead animals and to eat, and it just helps to keep their bodies clean. So, makes sense. They've got a great sense of smell. They can smell a dead animal over a mile away. So, when they're circling really high, I'm sure they don't smell it from high in the sky, but they can sure tell if something isn't moving after a while. And their sense of smell probably helps them when they land. The turkey buzzard also, I saw on the information I was reading, do not have a voice box, but they do hiss and grunt a lot. And, it's... They're now, my picture shows them cuter than they are. Look up a picture. It's not pleasant. They're pretty ugly, but they do serve a great purpose in the environment. They're gross but weird, and I like my little turkey buzzard. Yeah, growing up, out in the country, you'd see them flying way high and circling for hours. So look up, see if you can see one every once in a while. So here's my final drawing, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.